BMW M posted a single photo of the M3 Touring's rear to tease us. Most likely, the Touring will be a 2023 model. As far as power, most likely it will carry over the engines from the sedan, which include less powerful pure model that sends 460 horsepower to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual. The regular M3 will make 480 horsepower, while the M3 competition could produce as much as 510 horsepower. They will come standard with xDrive all-wheel drive and BMW's 8-speed automatic gearbox.